Ever hit this frustrating roadblock in Windows where a folder declares it's protecting your privacy by locking you out? You can't use this folder to protect your privacy error is more common than you think and can happen for a variety of reasons. Often when Windows tries to enforce its own security measures, let's get you back into your files. Our first and often most effective solution involves taking ownership of the folder. Right-click the folder causing you trouble and select Properties. Then, navigate to the Security tab and click the Advanced button. Here, you'll see the current owner. Click the Change link next to the owner's name and enter the object name to select field. Type your current Windows username and click Check Names to verify it. Then, click OK. Now, back in the Advanced Security Settings window, make sure to check the box that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. This ensures you have control over everything within that folder. Click Apply, and then OK. If taking ownership doesn't fully resolve the issue, it might be your user permissions. Go back into the folder's properties, then the Security tab, and click Edit. Select your username from the list and ensure that full control is checked under the Allow column. Apply these changes. For a more advanced fix, we might need to delve into the Windows registry. Press your Windows key and type Registry to open the registry editor. Be very careful here, as incorrect changes can affect your system. We need to locate a specific registry key that controls this privacy feature. Navigate through the registry editor, following the path shown on screen. Once you're in the correct location, you'll be looking for a specific value. Find the value named NoEncrypt or similar. Double-click it and change its value data to 0. If the value doesn't exist, you might need to create it. After making this change, click OK and then close the registry editor. Finally, restart your computer. After the restart, you should find that you can now access the folder you were previously locked out of. These steps should help you regain control over your files and overcome that frustrating privacy protection error.